Resize the stage into a standard video size of your choice. Insert separate layers for the sky, clouds, mountains, and hills. Make sure to name each layer. In the sky layer, create a rectangular shape, colored with a gradient. Adjust its size to the size of the stage. Delete the strokes or outline of the shape. Use the color mixer to adjust the gradient colors. Use the Gradient Transform tool to rotate the gradient. This can be done by clicking F while the gradient fill is selected. Lock the sky layer. Go to the clouds layer and use the pencil tool to draw the clouds. Fill the cloud shape with white color. Delete the strokes of the shapes. Select all the shapes and group them by pressing Ctrl-G. Set a specific X and Y position for the group. Duplicate the group by pressing Alt-G. Drag the duplicate copy to the right. Set its X and Y position. The Y position is similar to the original group. For its X position, add the X position of the first group to the width of the stage. Then select both groups and convert to a symbol by pressing F8. Lock the clouds layer. In the mountains layer, create the mountain shape by starting with a rectangle. Its width should be the same as that of the stage. Don't fill it with color yet. We will define the outline of the shape by adding points along the line on the top. This is done by, first, selecting the line, pressing the Alt key, and dragging the line to create the points. Don't move the end points at the top. After adding points, reshape the straight lines into curves. This is done by selecting the line and dragging it to the desired shape. Fill the shape with a solid color of your choice. Don't forget to delete the strokes after filling the shape with color. Select the shape and press Ctrl-G to group it. After grouping it, press the Alt key and drag to create a duplicate group copy. Move the duplicate copy to the right and set its X position equal to the width of the stage. Align the groups. Select the groups and press F8 to convert them into a symbol. Lock the mountains layer. Go to the hills layer to create the hills shape. Follow the same procedure in creating the mountains. The next step is to animate the symbols in each layer. In the sky layer, go to frame 240 and press F5 to extend the frame. In the clouds layer, go to frame 240 and press F6 to add a keyframe in frame 240. Move the clouds symbol to the left such that the position of the second group of clouds will be the same as the position of the first group of clouds, with reference to the stage. Animate the clouds by right-clicking anywhere along the clouds layer and choosing Create Classic Tween. Lock the clouds layer and go to the mountains layer. Go to frame 120 and press F6 to insert a keyframe. After applying Classic Tween to frames 1 to 120, select all frames, right-click, and choose Copy Frames. Then go to frame 121. Right-click and select Paste Frames. Lock the mountains layer and go to the hills layer. Repeat the same process as in the mountains layer, except that the first keyframe is in frame 80.